Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, and yes, we have more testing for Top Thrill 2, but what could this mean for the reopening of the ride this year? If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the spooky community today. I think we may hit 3,000 subscribers before Top Thrill 2 opens back up, but we may not have much time if they get it ready for Halloweekends. A huge shout out goes out to all our Coaster Ghostin' producers and members of the channel for helping bring this content to all of you. Now, let's get into the Top Thrill 2 shenanigans.
After the last week, seeing all the work on the trains from the new steel that's been drilled into the chassis of the trains, many have speculated this is because the trains are simply too light and causing more wear and tear due to that. And again, we don't know, but it's something out there that's being discussed. We also saw the seats off of the silver train, Zamperla workers, basically a whole lot of work going on to ramp us up a bit, and then nothing.
Parkgoers noticed the silver train not sitting in the open, and shortly after noticed it was indeed in the station, and everyone was trying to figure out when testing would happen. After spending over 100 days down and still counting, we were all antsy to see the test and hopefully get some news about the ride from the park's official pages. And we finally have another test run to talk about this morning.
Between 6 and 8 a.m. we got sent a bunch of messages about the ride running, and I had to go to work, but we were seeing more progress towards hopefully some information or an opening day. Now the question we all have to ask is, are these fixes and being tested, or is this an experiment to see if the added weight helps the forces and these are yet again just tests to determine what the solution could be? Very different things here, and we have to mention it.
If they are indeed the fixes, it makes sense just Silver Train got the work done and is being tested, as you want to ensure your results before fixing the other trains, right? But we also think this kind of looks like, again, they are testing 4 solutions, not testing a solution yet. And this makes us wonder, is Halloweekends out of the realm of spooky possibilities now?
I'm guessing that even if these are solutions and they can assure this new set of test runs is it, that we still have a bit of time to go here. A few weeks at minimum for the ride to reopen, or not reopen, but after today's daylight test runs, we're expecting some sort of news from the park. After this long and no updates since June 4th, we're all kind of watching summer fly by and come to its final weeks here.
This wasn't supposed to be all summer, and we do understand big engineering feats bring moments of what the heck is going on here. But it's been over 3 months, and Zamperla seems to not have told Cedar Point anything. Or Zamperla did update Cedar Point, and they don't know what to do with the information yet, and they are trying to figure out the timelines. That's my only guess here.
As for if the ride reopens during Halloweekends, we sure hope so. Advertise the fast lane all season as a way to ride Top Thrill 2 more, and a lot of people got that. We have to wonder how many people haven't even visited yet, just kind of holding out hope that the ride reopens. The season's coming quickly to a close with less than 50 total operating days left, and we're all getting a little anxious for Top Thrill 2 midnight rides on the Erie Peninsula during Halloweekends, right?
Let us know, are the test runs thrilling still or signs of more work to be done? Do you think it opens for Halloweekends? I know a lot of you think 2025 and we're all hopeful it's not, but hey, time's ticking and time will tell. Be sure to like the video and of course hit that subscribe button and join the spooky fun today. Our channel members are the best out there and make this coaster world fun. We're close to 3,000 subs and we'll be honest everyone, we never thought this would happen. We were amazed at 5 to 10 subscribers. Thanks for being here with all of us. As always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community.
And for Coaster Ghostin' with Ghoster Coasters.